reactor core structural integrity monitoring system failure. Attempting to reboot. Critical error. Reboot failure. Integrity status unknown. Dark matter reactor pressures monitoring system failure. Pressure status unknown. Warning. All facility scientific personnel, please evacuate immediately. You have 11 minutes to reach minimum safe distance.
Code resolution by the facility automated management system. Lockdown code has been overwritten with the designation of Bravo 9ers. Please proceed to other stores and evacuation immediately. On a girl, and the police is on a girl.
Attention! Dark matter reactor integrity monitoring system failure preemption protocol initiated. Engaging code red emergency.
Attention reactor operations, lower personnel. You are instructed to attempt the reactor shutdown before evacuating the facility. Attempting the footing will have been terminated on its site. This is your only warning.
Estimating time of reactor destruction. Danger. Dark matter reactor explosion will occur in T-10 minutes. The option to shut down the reactor core will expire in T-5 minutes. The option to shut down the dark matter reactor is now active. Please note, the temperature must be below 3000 Kelvin to allow for the combustion stall protocol to engage. Attention, a distress signal has been sent by reactor operations personnel. Communications network down. Attempting to re-establish connection with Eastern Seaboard Communications diode. Danger. Radiation levels exceeding maximum safe limits for reactor chamber entry. Warning. Facility integrity compromised. Please enter a safety shelter or evacuate the facility immediately. All facility science personnel, please evacuate immediately. Dark matter reactors, superstructure integrity dropping. Engage thermal systems immediately. Facility critical fluids do not use automated system error detected. Danger! Dark matter reactor explosion will occur in T-5 minutes. All the oxygen to shut down the reactor core has now expired. Evacuate the hazardous zone immediately. Attention, dark matter reactor operations team. Please evacuate the facility immediately. Control system error. Reactor controls irresponsive to dark matter reactor primary control node. Attention, facility personnel. Please proceed to the nearest area immediately. Dark matter pressure purging system is ineffective. Pressure continues to rise. Further degradation of structural integrity may be possible. Monitoring system failure. Cannot predict reactor detonation. No bombing has now been issued. Lockdown protocol will engage in T-2 minutes. Attention. High levels of radiation detected in reactor operations cavern. System error detected. Attention, lockdown protocol now active. Blast doors closing in T-1 minute. Attention, blast doors closing in T-30 seconds.
National Emergency Alert Service has issued a mass evacuation of New Haven and Fairfield counties. An event of unknown severity has occurred at the Quantum Science Energy Research Facility in southwestern New Haven County. It is advised to leave your homes and evacuate to the designated safe zones. Military personnel have been dispatched on site to provide assistance. Please bring food, water, flashlight with extra batteries, first aid kit, and a portable radio to receive any more alerts. If no public transportation is available, please seek out the nearest police station or military outpost immediately. Please evacuate quickly and safely. Tune in to local news outlets for any updates on this situation.